Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. Hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1970 Chevelle. Now, this car's had a gorgeous Frame Off Rotisserie Restoration, and it's probably one of the nicest 70 Chevelles we've ever owned. Now, if you've got any questions on it, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now, I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of it, and then we'll get it up on a lift and out on the highway as well. The 70 Chevelle is one of the most iconic cars ever built, and it starts up front with the 4 headlights, and you can see the Super Sport grille as well. Now, this car has had new bumpers installed, and the rest of the stainless is beautiful here on the front. It'll also give you the opportunity to look down the sides. You can see these stunning body lines flow beautifully here from the front to the rear, and that the body on this car is straight as an arrow. Now, as you come around, you'll notice that the side stainless on this car is all new, along with the trim here around the windows. You'll also notice the SS502 badging, which is a little foreshadowing of what's to come. But before we go on around, I want you to come on up and we'll take a look here at the interior. On the inside, it's a total custom job that balances modern with traditional muscle car perfectly. The leather interior features bucket seats, and it also has a custom covered console with the 6-speed shifter. It has tilt wheel with a leather wrapped billet steering wheel, and you'll notice we've got the SS dash that's been upgraded with custom Dakota digital gauges, and it also has a digital radio along with vintage air with AC and heat. Also, custom door panels have been installed that are stunning, and the padding in the bucket seats is redone, along with having new carpet and new headliner. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue around the outside. You can see how excellent that door shuts and fits. As you come across the back, you'll notice more of the iconic styling of this 1-year-only body style from Chevelle. We've got the SS pad here on the brand new bumper, and it'll also give you the opportunity to look down the passenger side, and you'll notice that the panel fit is just as gorgeous on this side as it is on the driver. As you come on around, I'll take a step back. That way you can get a good look at the stance on this car. As you can see, it's got the tinted windows, which flows beautifully here with the Tuxedo Black paint. You can see that we got the cowl hood with the SS stripes. They're done in white, and this paint has been buffed and polished to a gorgeous shine that's slick as a ribbon. Now, you'll also notice that this car is sitting on a custom set of Schott wheels, 18s on the front, 20s on the back, and we've got custom redline tires that really show off these Corvette 6-piston and 4-piston 4-wheel disc brake package. Now, if you want to come on up, we'll take a look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. Under the hood, it has a stunning detail, but it really packs a punch. It features a crate 502 that was delivered to a NASCAR machine shop, so that way it can be honed in to reach its full potential. Now, it's set up with the aluminum high-rise intake with a Holley carb. We also have a custom set of Chevrolet valve covers, and you can see that we got the polished front runner system to go with the upgraded AC, and we also have power steering and power brakes. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Chevelle, I'll get it put up on a lift so that way you can take a close look at the bottom. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Let's get this 70 up on a lift, and then we'll get it out on the highway for you. Now that we have this Chevelle up on a lift, we can take a closer look at the impressive job that was done during this Frame Off Rotisserie Restoration. As you can see, this car has been meticulously done underneath, with all of the floor plans appearing to be original, and they're in phenomenal condition as well. The frame also looks to be original, and it's in excellent condition with all new bushings being installed. Now, under the front, it has new bushings and ball joints installed, along with a Hotchkiss sway bar and QA1 shocks. This 502 big block is mated to the Tremec 6-speed trans that goes out back to a 12-volt positive with around a 342 gear. For exhaust, it has a custom-built set of headers with dual 3-inch pipes and Flowmaster mufflers. Out back, the suspension has been upgraded with SSM rear track arms, and it also has a Hotchkiss 4-link setup along with a Hotchkiss sway bar. Now, this 70 has had a new gas tank installed along with new fuel lines, and you'll also notice the Brembo 4-wheel disc brakes that we alluded to earlier.
for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.